first ever AI auto music arranger that works offline too, and it's called Ludwig 3. Now imagine this. You just put in your melody, and within seconds, Ludwig 3 arranges it into full professional music in any style. Bollywood, Bengali, English, pop, EDM, you name it. Ludwig does it. And the best part? No need for advanced music knowledge. This AI does all the arranging, chord progressions, harmonies, literally like having a professional producer sitting right beside you. Auto arrangement in multiple genres. Works offline, no internet needed. Easy drag and drop melody creation. Perfect for beginners and pros. Now here's the real gem. Do you have a melody in your head but don't know how to turn it into a full song? Well, let me introduce you to something magical, Ludwig 3. This AI-powered software can take your small idea, even just a simple tune, and instantly arrange it into a professional-sounding song. Watch this first. I just type or play a short melody. Now, with just one click, Ludwig 3 automatically creates a full arrangement with chords, harmonies, bass line, and even a drum track. AI-powered software can take your rock, jazz, pop, classical, even EDM, and instantly arrange it into a professional-sounding song. In seconds, my little melody sounds like a complete band is playing behind me. And if you want to change something, just pick a different style or swap the instruments. Ludwig 3 does the hard work for you. So if you're a beginner musician, songwriter, or even a pro looking to save time, Ludwig 3 is like having a personal arranger in your computer. Would you like me to show you how to create a full track? The official price of Ludwig 3 Premium is about €50, but I can provide you the premium version for just €30. That's almost half the price. Yes, you heard it right. Full premium version at a super cheap deal. Just DM me in the comment box if you want it. And don't worry, I've also added a demo version link in the description, so you can try it yourself before buying. This is Ludwig 3, the world's first ever AI auto music arranger. Yes, you heard that right. This genius software doesn't just generate music, it actually takes your melody and builds a professional arrangement around it. Look at this, I play a tiny melody. And boom. Ludwig 3 instantly adds chords, harmonies, bass, drums, even orchestral parts, all perfectly matched. You can choose from hundreds of styles. Pop, rock, jazz, classical EDM, you name it. With one click, your melody transforms into a complete band performance. And here's the best part. Ludwig 3 works completely offline. No internet needed, no subscription, no cloud delay. Just install it once, and it becomes your personal music arranger forever. Now imagine, instead of spending hours learning music theory or hiring expensive arrangers, you just use Ludwig 3, and in seconds you have a ready-to-use track. And listen carefully. Many don't know this, but I can provide you the premium version at a very cheap price. So if you want to unlock its full power, reach out. I'll help you get it. Trust me, Ludwig 3 is not just software. It's like having a 24/7 music producer inside your computer. Your creativity plus this AI equals unlimited hit songs. So what melody is playing in your head right now? Drop it in Ludwig 3, the magic happen. The world's first AI music arranger. Turn any melody into a full song instantly. This offline AI music tool will blow your mind. No music skills? No problem. Meet your AI arranger. I've also added a demo version link in the description so you can try it yourself before buying. Trust me guys, once you see it, you'll realize this is truly a game changer for music creators. So what are you waiting for? Get Ludwig 3 now at this amazing price and take your music to the next level. If you found this tutorial helpful, please hit that like, smash the subscribe button, and don't forget to share this video with your friends. Let's spread the magic of AI music arranging.